Hot water heat pumps are an efficient way to heat water in Australia, especially for those with solar panels and batteries. These systems use refrigerants that absorb heat from the air, making them much more energy efficient than conventional water heaters. The best heat pumps use carbon dioxide as a refrigerant, offering superior efficiency and environmental benefits. Budget models use propane, which is still effective but less efficient. Costs vary, with budget models starting around $3,000 and premium ones reaching $5,000. Government incentives, including STCs and state rebates, can significantly reduce costs, especially in Victoria and New South Wales. When choosing a heat pump, key factors include efficiency, noise levels, heating speed, tank size, and warranty, with premium models generally offering better performance and longer warranties. Proper installation is crucial, as poor insulation or incorrect drainage can reduce efficiency and even lead to compliance issues. Maintenance, particularly replacing the sacrificial anode every 3 to 5 years, is essential for prolonging the unit's lifespan. Integrating a heat pump with solar energy is ideal, allowing daytime solar power to heat water and reducing grid reliance. However, large households may need additional nighttime heating or better water conservation practices. Ultimately, while high-end heat pumps provide better performance and reliability, good budget models can also be a smart investment, provided they are chosen carefully and installed correctly.